Morning everyone, Tim from High Pressure Training Gold Coast. Gorgeous day here on the Goldie, Saturday morning. We were doing an after hours clean, which is quite regular for us. It's the Childcare Centre. So we're obviously addressing a few issues on site today. So front of the building, addressing all those contaminants up there, which is very common for Queensland. We're coming through, obviously doing the entire car park, including the curbing, the bump stops, and a few specialised areas inside the actual Childcare Centre. So this is what we do, including skills and other work. But if you've got any questions, want to quote, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you.
Thank you.